Fuel arrives at the power plant in two forms and on two routes. The ready-to-use fuel is transported to the power plant by trailer trucks by road. The fuel is piled up on the wood chip storage established on site. The different types of fuel, forest wood chips, wood loppings, sawdust, sunflower seed hulls, and agricultural byproducts, are mixed by shovel loaders. A part of logwood, making up only 1/3 of the total fuel, is also transported by road, but it mainly arrives at the site by industrial railroad siding. From the wagons, the fuel gets to the shredder, representing the largest such capacity in Europe. In the wood shredder, which can process 100 tons of wood in an hour, 12 blades chop the fuel. The shredded wood, each piece of which is smaller than 6 centimeters, also gets to the wood chip storage, where they are mixed with the other fuels. The mixed fuel is conveyed by a more than 300-meter-long conveyor belt to the boiler, situated in the southern part of the boiler house. For constant and continuous supply, the fuel gets into two 300 cubic meter containers, from where a chain conveyor delivers it to one of the two feed-in openings at the sides of the boiler. The wood chip burning boiler produces nearly 200 tons of steam an hour that passes through the main steam line at 98 bar pressure to the steam turbine. The temperature of the sand bed is so high that the fuel falling into the furnace dries, then burns completely. Hot flue gas flows through the inner part of the boiler, divided into two pads, and produces a superheated steam in the heat exchangers to be found there, as well as by means of the hot water tubes built into the walls of the boiler. The wood chip burning boiler produces nearly 200 tons of steam an hour that passes through the main steam line at 98 bar pressure to the steam turbine. The high-pressure steam releases its energy by driving a rotor part of the steam turbine at 3,000 revolutions per minute. The generator linked to the rotor part converts the kinetic energy into electric power. The unit can produce 49.9 megawatts of electric power, which amply covers the electricity consumption of the city of Pécs. The steam having done work on the turbine is still hot enough to partially heat up the district heating system of Pécs. The steam is released into a heat exchanger, where it heats up the water flowing into the district heating system and contributes to supplying the nearly 31,000 flats and 450 public institutions of Pécs with completely renewable-based district heating.